people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so as you can see in the title, I am here to make a review. Yep. Alright, so I'm gonna be reviewing on a very good oil that would get rid of dark spots, age spots, scars, and also pigmentation. It will help to remove all of that. So if you do find this video interesting, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to share the video. And without further ado, let's get into this review. So I am gonna be making a review on this very small oil. It is called, let me come closer so you guys can see, okay, because it's white. I observe that anytime I make a review on a white skin cream, you guys probably are not seeing the name of the cream very well. So because this is white and it's very small, I have to come very close so you guys can see the name. So this is the name of the cream. It is Fair and White's product from Paris, and it says here dark spot removal. Alright, so this is among the Fair and White products. You guys know I've made a review on Fair and White products like a million times. I review like almost all of their products. I mean, I am yet to discover more of their products, okay, to test and also review to you guys. Now this oil, I have a Fair and White oil in which I use Fair and White oil, but not this. This is particularly for anti-tatches and dark spots. Okay, the things that is you have to press it this way to get the oil out. Alright, so let me do that. Alright, you can see that. So this is the oil. The oil is not really like white transparent oil, is just like a little brownish in color, and the texture of this oil is really thick. It's just like vitamin E, and it's a little hot though. It's a little very slight hot oil, not really hot like bleaching oil. But this oil is really very expensive. Like this small for this amount is really expensive. It's really small. Alright, now you're going to use the oil. You're going to apply it with a cotton wool. Alright, take a little amount of a cotton wool and then you press it into the cotton wool. Then you use that on that particular place you have dark spots. You don't rub it all over your face because it's really small for the amount. So you just rub it at that particular place you have dark spots, okay? And it's just going to be very good. I got it because I needed to use it also for my DIY videos in my natural beauty channel. I'm going to be using it alongside with other oil for dark spots. But yeah, you can use this only this is just only what you need to get rid of dark spots. It's not like when you get it, when you apply it once or twice, the dark spot will just go like that. No, it doesn't work that way, okay? It works with a continuous use. Now you can use this for like 1 month and your dark spots will be fading a little, fading a little. Now there's something I observed from people who have tried some of the things I've gave them, be it natural and branded like this, is that they don't even have the patience. They don't apply patience in applying things like this. Oil, cream and all of this stuff does not really work like magic. It is not surgery. It is oil, and it has to work gradually on the skin for you to have a perfect result on whatsoever you want to get rid of on your body or on your skin. You have to be a little patient, like you have to give it a little time, okay? And this oil is going to help remove old spots, new spots. There's this spot I have on my leg. Okay, I'm gonna be showing you guys in my vlog, not now, okay? There's this very big round spot I used to have on my, it's not spot, it's scar I used to have on my leg, not like it used to, because it's still there but not as black as it was before, okay? So what I used to do is that I apply oil. I apply not just only this oil, most of the time I apply a DIY natural stuff to get rid of it, like baking soda, because that's, you know, also helping getting rid of some excessive hairs on my leg, although I don't have hairs. So because I don't have hairs, I don't even want even one, and it also helps to soften my skin. So that's why I apply more of baking soda and with vitamin E. But yeah, this oil is really great, and my colleague is using the oil for dark spots, okay, and it's really been helping her a lot. When I started working in the hotel, you know, she used to have a lot of dark spots, all right, and then I now told her that there's this oil, which is this one. I've actually not used it, but because I knew that Fair and White products are really good, though they're expensive, but they're good, so I had to prescribe this oil for her, and she used it, you know, on her skin, on her face. She used to have dark spots all over her face, so she used it and it was really helping, all right? But one thing about pimples and dark spots is that you don't prick your pimples. Don't prick it, don't touch it, don't disturb it. By that way, it's just going to disappear without you knowing when it's left, or you know, and all of that. So Fair and White oil, this particular one, is perfect. So you can grab this and then you can add it into your beauty regime, and it's gonna be very helpful. It's made in France, which is Paris, all right? Most of this good cream and oil and all of that stuff are made in France. I don't even know why. I'm gonna ask them why. All right, so that is basically it for it. So what it does, it clears dark spot, scars, old and new, and it also clear pigmentation. You know, pigmentation are those little dots on your skin, especially on your hair follicles. You know, they come out dot. Sometimes it might be, most of the time it's usually white, but sometimes it might be, you know, dark, based on the ability of your skin producing more melanin than, you know, other skin. So that's just it. This cream, this oil is good for all skin type. It's perfect, and I'm sure you can order this online in your local market and also in a shopping center. Alright, so that will be it. I just thought it wise to, you know, get this oil and show you guys, because of course, just like I said earlier, I want to use it for my DIY video, and that's just why I said, okay, let me just show you guys and tell you guys that it's very perfect for dark spot and age spots. You can try it, and of course you don't have anything to lose, because it's not going to damage your skin. It's just like on those points where you have the spot, you're going to apply it. You're not going to apply it all over your skin, okay? So that will be it for the video. If you do find this video interesting yet helpful, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to share the video, and I'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Stay beautiful. Bye guys. Bye.